guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to cover upholstery buttons. You will need a few things to get started. I'm going to be using the Birch self-cover buttons. I've picked these up from Spotlight, but you can get any other brand self-cover buttons, and I would recommend getting a metal version, not the plastic version that I have here. You'll also need some threading needles and cotton thread, of course. That's the actual plastic button we're going to be covering. You'll also need a template and some fabric. A lot of the self-covering button packets come with a template, so you can just use that. So now I am just cutting around the template, and I'm allowing about a 1 to 2 mil border, and that just makes it easier to cover the button. And there we have it. So now you want to get some cotton thread and just do a quick running stitch around the top. Allow for about 1 millimeter from the top as to where you place your stitch. Now I'm placing the plastic button in the center of the fabric and pulling the 2 pieces of cotton taut to close the fabric over the top of the button. Cut off the excess cotton and then place the plastic disc over the top of all of the fabric. Now I'm going to get my pliers and press down on either side of the hoop, making sure that the disc is secure. And there you have it, your first button is done. To finish the button off, I'm just going to thread a piece of cotton wool through the loop to make sure that it's ready to go once I want to add it to my chair. This is going to come in handy for my next video where I'll be reupholstering a beautiful tufted wingback chair. Thanks for watching, guys. If you really enjoyed this video and would love to see what's coming up next, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.